Well, we're here at Minden Metalworks, and to kind of detail out why I'm here, my brand new Kurt trailer hitch has these little detents on there that are supposed to hold the leveling bars. Well, that one is in my hand right here, and it is supposed to be on there. I put a pretty small fastener in there, but I don't have an easy out with me, so I gotta get that. Where's the camera? I gotta get that put on